Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to look at Gala Gaming, which is one of the original blockchain based crypto games platforms offering play to earn games as well as much more. Just a disclaimer, none of this is financial advice, so always go and do your own research. Without further ado then, let's jump into today's video. So jumping across to the Gala website guys, which there's a link for down in the description below, so make sure you go and check that out after this video. You can see that Gala is a new type of gaming platform partially owned and operated by its players, allowing players to go and earn Gala tokens. And if you've been paying attention to crypto gaming in the past 6 months or so, you will know that Gala, as well as many others, have been absolutely booming, and I don't foresee that ending anytime soon. I believe there's going to be a really big year for Gala Games coming up, so earning Gala tokens right now might be a really useful thing that you can do to build up your crypto portfolio. Coming down below, you can see all the recent drops of all the different pieces, etc., that you can buy in the games, and we'll take a look at that later on. And as well as that, all the different types of games, etc., that are on offer, as well as all of a bit of the news that's happening about Gala, of which there's quite a lot going on right now. Now, one of their key philosophies in the play to earn crypto space is making games that are actually fun and that people want to play. There's been lots of play to earn games that people kind of sit at and don't really enjoy particularly much in order to just earn some crypto, but actually imagine if you could earn crypto by playing a game that you're actually really enjoying. So that's a really cool and interesting thing in my opinion. So as I mentioned guys, fun first is one of their key principles. As well as that, it's being owned by the players. That gives the community power to come in and influence how new games are made, different types of games that are put on the platform, and how they sort of develop over time, which is very unique and not something you get in many other platforms out there. So not only can you earn money from being involved in playing games, but by buying different items, etc., that might gain value because the game becomes more popular, you can then trade these between different people, and that's another great way of earning an income. You can also buy NFTs and earn NFTs just by being a part of the community too. And as they say, they don't really have any community rules. They don't develop the games in a vacuum. They constantly engage and test assumptions with the Discord community, which you can see there's a link for up here. So if you're interested, you can come over and join the community, because I'm sure there's lots of people in there who would love to share their experiences of Gala Games with you. And looking down below, you can see that more than 16,000 player-run nodes power the ecosystem. And there's a different way in which you can go and buy a node, which allows you as well to earn perhaps a passive income as well as other rewards. We'll have a look at that a little bit later on. And you can see down here, there's lots of different news talking about all the digital land grabs that are going on within the crypto space. Obviously, you know that Metaverse is really taking off this year, and crypto games are a really big part of that ecosystem and will continue to grow within that ecosystem as time moves on. And as we know, technology at the moment is going absolutely insane, and we're seeing such development happening in just very short spaces of time. And coming down here, there's a really cool part from the CEO saying that if he wasn't thinking that this wasn't the future of the internet or the next phase of the internet, then he wouldn't be interested in doing it. He thinks that giving ownership to the people, etc., decentralizing the network is one of the most powerful and interesting things that's going to be happening in the coming years. And really, we are still very early in the crypto space and the NFT and crypto gaming space as well. So it's a very exciting opportunity, and perhaps always getting in early to anything is the best way to be able to make the biggest gains possible. You can see there's over 1.3 million active users, $3 million for the most expensive NFT ever sold. And I don't know if you've been watching what's happening with NFTs, but there's also crazy opportunities to be able to buy NFTs for really quite cheap and flip them for lots and lots of money. So some really cool stuff to come and check out. So guys, looking at the store, you can see there's all these different elements which I touched on earlier. And these are sort of items that can be used in various games, whether it's to upskill your player. You can buy different outfits for them. You can buy different types of land. You can buy different weapons, all sorts of really cool stuff. And as I've mentioned, these can gain real value when they get rarer, when games are really taking off. And if you buy them in the right game, then you could be really in with a chance of making some good capital. What I can see as well is that there's lots of different games on offer, and then for each of these different games you can see there's different elements that are available for them. You can pay in lots of different cryptocurrencies, Gala, Ethereum, Basic Attention Token, etc. And I'm going to show you how you can get your Gala tokens in just a moment. So clicking on the games tab, guys, you can see that there is a lot of different types of games. Okay, so more sort of historical games, sort of more futuristic space sci-fi games, there's war games, There's all sorts of different things that interest all sorts of different people and is what's driving this to become such a successful platform in such a short space of time, really. You can see that each of the games can be played, perhaps not always on all different platforms, but there will be something that's available for you. They've got PC games, Mac games, etc., which can all be used. Some of them, this one for example, is on browser, which means you can use it on your phone if that's something that interests you. As I mentioned earlier, guys, about the 16,000 nodes, you can see that you can come across and buy a node. And what that gives you is the opportunity to support the platform, and for that you're rewarded in perhaps Gala tokens as well as NFTs and various other things that are going on. As I've mentioned, because the ecosystem is growing so fast, by being a part of that and giving something back, they're going to reward you in lots of different ways as well, which is really, really nice and really cool. So as I mentioned, guys, you need perhaps Gala token if you want to come across to Gala and be able to purchase different items, different games, etc. And actually it's very, very easy to get Gala. Even if perhaps you don't already own crypto at all, it's really not that difficult to get involved in crypto. As you can see, there's loads and loads of different platforms that you can purchase Gala from using all sorts of different currencies, whether it's in Binance with BNB or Coinbase, where you can even pay in US dollars or your native currency wherever you are based in the world, crypto.com, etc. These are all the huge names in the crypto space right now, and they're all very secure and reliable. And as I mentioned, guys, by owning Gala, in my opinion, because the future of crypto gaming, etc. is so massive, by owning Gala tokens, there's really, really some amazing possibilities for what could happen to the Gala price over the next year or so. So it's potentially a very good, sound investment if that's something that you're interested in. But always remember, crypto is risky, so this is not financial advice, guys. Jumping across to the Twitter page, which I'll leave a link for, as well as the Gala website down below, guys. So you can see that Gala Games has over 330,000 followers around the world, which is no small feat. That's pretty impressive, really, especially as it's not been around a huge amount of time. There's loads of stuff here where they've got daily competitions to win NFTs, as well as winning Gala, etc. There's also things from Snoop Dogg and other people who are getting really involved in the metaverse. All of the celebrities who are talking about this right now, they're kind of the early adopters. And I can imagine that over the course of the next few months, you're going to see more and more people learning about what NFTs, gaming, crypto gaming is all about. And that's why this ecosystem and the crypto ecosystem in general is really starting to boom. And it's such an exciting time right now in crypto. So as I mentioned, guys, Gala Games is a really exciting platform with loads of cool different stuff happening. You can earn money in Gala, you can earn money in NFTs, you can enjoy playing some really cool, amazing different games. So make sure you go and check out Gala, which is linked down in the description below. If you've enjoyed today's video and you've got some value from it, then make sure you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As well as that, guys, make sure you subscribe to Crypto Gems to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening in the world of crypto, and to help you on your journey learning about crypto and all of the exciting possibilities there are involved with it. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you again soon with another video. Bye-bye.